Hey guys, welcome back to Create with Freething, where editing becomes easier. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to use CapCut templates, how to create amazing videos with few taps, even if you are just a beginner. If you have CapCut already in your phone, good and fine. But if you don't, head over to your CapCut. Let's get started. So tap on the CapCut app, then you see it's gonna take you to the new page. Then you tap on templates. Over here you can see different type of templates. You will decide which one are you going to be using. You find your template at the down. You can see your template there at the down. Then you just scroll and scroll. Which one do you like to try out? Which one do you want to use? Let's use this template. So when you find the template you want to use, you tap on use templates. So the template demand us 23.1 seconds, and it demand to clip. So what do? It demand video. So I don't know if we can use picture as well. So I want to use this picture. Okay, I think they only okay. I want to use two pictures, two different pictures. Okay, from what I'm observing, you can't use different picture. You can only use one picture. And since I'm teaching you how to use templates, so for the sake of this tutorial, I would like to proceed so you can see everything that's going on, how to find template and how to use your template, how to get your end result. So let's continue. So I tap on the next button. So well, this is the end result. So I just bring down the music because of copyright. I don't want to have any issue with copyright. So I don't. This editing is not really. I don't really like this template. Even though it's nice, I don't like this template. So I'll be discarding this and let's go and search for another template. So I think this is nice. Let's try this out. But this does not need much video, you just need one image, that's it. So let's use this. So you click on next. You see, wow, this is beautiful. Take a look at it again. Wow, you see, we just created a TikTok video. Definitely we can post this on our TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. This automatically a very fast video we just did right now. You see how you use a CapCut template. Right now you can head over to export this video right now. So you can see this, it's a export without watermark. Export. So we export without a watermark. So you just see we just got a clean videos from the CapCut templates. What? It's actually uploading directly to my to my TikTok. Wow, that's amazing. So I will just add sound over here. I just posted a video I edited from CapCut right now on my TikTok account. Let's see if it finished uploading. Are you seeing? The video just finished uploading and right now is on my TikTok account. Are you seeing? So you can definitely create amazing videos from CapCut with just using the template. You don't have to stress about how to go about editing. Even if you're a beginner, you can just select the images or videos you want to edit, and CapCut will do the whole work. I think this is like the simplest editing I have ever met, I have ever come across. So I would like us to go a bit deeper. If you don't mind, if you are still watching, I'd like to take you through the CapCut template, how we can go deeper on how you edit. Some how the editing, there are some how the editing where you have to edit more than one picture. This is just like one picture here. We just upload the picture and it just automatically take off after the template. But what about the template is a bit different and it needs more than one picture. How do we go about it? So let's go back to CapCut app, and I think I will just clean this history and let's enter the app again. Like from the beginning, we just entered CapCut and it's showing us a different type of templates. From what I'm observing here, I think they are bringing a template that you just need only one picture to create. But me, I want us to add more than one picture on our templates, so it will make you understand the more. So over here you have the whole right. You have all the right in the world to select whichever template you want to use. And if you look into this template, they all have their favoritism. People went into this place and tap like to show they like the template. So it depends on you, which one do you like, which one do you like to use. All the amazing features I'm seeing here, they are all subscribed. So let's go with this. How many images do they need for this? So let's select another image. I think this one they will not ask me to pay. I just saw it there. They will not ask me to pay. So it's a good pick. So um it only demands six pictures. So after selecting your images, you just tap on next and CapCut will do the whole work. Wow, this is so amazing. Like, are you seeing? So you can decide to export without any. Wow, are you seeing how smooth this edit is? After editing, you just head over to export your clip, and that's it. You just create an amazing video from CapCut template. Right now this video is completed and you ready to upload. You can decide to share to your Instagram, your story, your WhatsApp, Facebook, or even TikTok. And that's how you get amazing videos from CapCut templates. Let me know in the comment what type of template you like best: aesthetic, funny, or transition. Hit the subscribe button and join me on more easy CapCut tutorial. This is Create with Freething. See you on our next video. Bye.